Good morning, YouTube. Today is 6th of July, Thursday, and weekly expiry for Nifty. So this is the point where I entered at a CE of 19,500. My entry point was 463, and this is my stop loss at 435. So almost 30 point is my risk in this trade, and once it crosses 511, then it will go towards my final target of 564. So these are my targets and this is my trade. And tomorrow I won't be able to trade because I'll be traveling tomorrow, and the whole next week I won't be able to trade. So I was trying to make at least 18 trades in my 5-mile run, and so that is the reason that I chose to trade today. But with the proper setup, I should have entered here at this point, but anyways I missed it. So this is the point where I entered, and now what was in my hand, I did it. I put on the trade, and now the rest is up to the market. So let's see what the buyers and the sellers do. I'll just wait and watch, and if my if I get stopped out, I'll exit, and if it crosses 511, then I'll wait for my third target, final target. So let's see what happens. It's almost 1:20 p.m. and I have entered in a C position in Bank Nifty for a call of 45,400, and this will be my stop loss here, 112. This will be my stop loss here. Almost 90 points in the index is my stop loss, and I'll try to take 100 points in the index. My buy price is 45,200. So as far as my previous trade is concerned, so this is the scenario. My buy price was here, and from there Nifty started falling down, which gave me a big loss. Even though it went up a bit, but still I'm at a loss because I'm at out of the money CE. If only Nifty crosses 511 and reaches toward 565, then only I can have my loss recovered, because right now my strike price is showing 500 rupees loss. So let's see if a short covering comes, or just Nifty closes here in this range. So if Nifty closes in this range, then I'll have to because Nifty came below 450, so I'll have to exit, booking my loss, even though my stop loss didn't got hit, but still I'll have to exit. And this trade here, my buy price is 200, and Bank Nifty is now at 203. So in case Bank Nifty crosses 300 and sustains, then it can go upward. So these are my targets. Target 1, target 2, this is target 1, this is target 2, this is target 3. 45,534 is my target 4. So both Bank Nifty and Nifty are in range bound now. So let's see where it goes. and I'll put this as my SL. So I just missed it. So that is it for this one, and let's see where it goes, because I think that in both Nifty and Bank Nifty, the put writers are trying to book profit, not the call writers. But in a bullish market, how long will they? There's a huge lot of call writing at 19,500, and if they start, if Nifty crosses above 19,540 something, the call writers will exit. So let's see what happens. So Nifty gave a breakout almost at 2:30 p.m. and if it goes above my second target one, that is above 511, then a short covering is expected more rapidly. So now after this big profit booking or short covering, this big candle, my loss of 400 rupees came to 20 rupees, and now it is even more. So since it is a red candle is being formed, so I'm not sure that 19450 people in 19450 put, they are unwinding, or people in 19500 call, they are unwinding. But anyways, let's see what happens. And Bank Nifty was also giving me some 500 rupees profit. Went above my 1:1 trade. So let's wait for some time and watch where the market goes. So it's almost 3 p.m. and I was at a call of 45,400. So it gave me 800 rupees loss. But I missed the opportunity to exit at this candle. I saw a big move, it gave a breakout, and I could have exited, but greed got into me and I thought of waiting some more. So I booked a loss, and as well as same in Nifty. This candle here, this breakout, I should have exited from my position. If I would have exited my position at around here somewhere, in this part, in this candle, or in the beginning of this candle, I would have got 30-40 rupees profit. But now I had to exit at 800 rupees loss. Though I am at a 19,500 call, and this is near 19,500. It crossed 19,500 at this point, but still I was at a loss because of time decay. So that is it for today. Made a blunder, should have exited because today was expiry, and waiting too much would be dangerous today, but I didn't, and this is what has happened. I need to increase my pace and exit quickly when I get profit. Otherwise, this will be the scenario. Waiting too much and at the day of expiry, will be troublesome for me. And I just did this to finish my 5 mile test. So 1,700 rupees loss. Again I came down to 2,000 rupees. So my capital came down to 2,000 rupees. So I blew off 50% of my capital today. And though I recovered somehow, but still. So I'll not be trading some time, and I need to gather my brain and do some reading and stuff, because if I keep on trading like this, I would never be a successful trader. This was my stop loss and this was my target, but I still didn't exit it here because I had put on 2 trades at the same time. So I could have easily exited here and booked a profit of 1,000 rupees, but instead I made a loss of 1,600 rupees. So that's it. See you guys tomorrow, or see you guys next time I trade. So I finished my 5 mile trade. This is my trade 20th. This Bank Nifty trade is my 20th trade, and the Nifty trade was my 19th trade. So that's it. So after booking today's loss, Nifty has touched my second target here, but since I was out of the money call and today's expiry, so I had to book a loss of 900 rupees. But if I would have entered in a C of next expiry, then I would have certainly made profit, because from 63 to 11, so 50 points in the index. But anyways, so after my 5 mile trade, which I started from 12th July and ended today, so I made total 20 trades. I made profit in 5 of them and losses in rest 15 of the trades. So my total loss from my capital of 5,000 rupees, my total loss was 4,558, and my total profit from the 5 trades that were profitable was 2,526. So if I calculate it, I did lost 2,000 rupees from my capital of 5,000 rupees, more than 2,000 rupees. So every time I'm doing this 5 mile run, I'm blowing up my 50% of my capital, and I need to work hard to change this, because if I don't, it will be a huge problem for me for the future. So I really need to change this, and see what happens. That's it.